everyone, this is Anna. I'm the Business Development Manager of OceanAlpha Company. We are one of the exhibiting companies of Guangdong Week of China Pavilion Expo 2020 Dubai UAE Guangdong Boutique Product Exhibition. Here behind me, this is the building of our headquarter. Let's get in and know more about us. OceanAlpha founded in 2010 and now is a leading global provider of commercial unmanned surface vehicle. We have mastered the world's most advanced USV technology with related patents around 228. We are a young, dynamic, and innovative team with over 500 employees and a professional engineer team over 300 people. And here is the overall view of our headquarters. We have our own standardized factory, inland test pool, testing laboratory, command center, and offshore test area. Today we are going to introduce 4 of our products. And here, this is our inland test pool. This is special for testing the small USV. And this is our Dolphin 1. Dolphin 1 is an unmanned surface rescue vehicle. Dolphin 1 can drive itself to rescue the drowning people, and its speed is even faster than the Olympic swimming champion. And the rescue can operate the remote controller to save the drowning people at the shore and stay safe and dry. Dolphin 1 is made of PE material, and its weight is only 13 kilograms. There are 2 orange lights on it, make it visible in long distance and at night. And there are 2 powerful electric water propulsion, and the propeller is entangling with water plants. And Dolphin 1, the design of Dolphin 1 is more tailored to our human body, and the ergonomic handle can be easily caught by the victims. The top speed of Dolphin 1 is around 10 miles. According to the calculation, it is faster than the Olympic swimming champion, who swims around 6 miles. The maximum payload of Dolphin 1 is 150 kilograms. That means it can carry around 2 or 3 persons in one time. Dolphin 1 is suitable for public safety lifeguards, mariners, ships, and offshore oil and gas platforms. Dolphin 1 can be used in different conditions and weather, even in swift water or adverse weather. This is Dolphin 1, quicker and safer, give the potential victims the best chance to be rescued. Here is our M40P. M40P is a fully autonomous unmanned surface vehicle, special for hydrographic survey, especially for oil and gas industry and renewable industry. And M40P is around 4.5 meters long and made of aluminum material, and the maximum speed of M40P is around 7 knots. And the hull design of M40P is catamaran design, and the equipment can be placed between the hulls. It can provide a more quieter working condition for survey and to gain more accurate survey data. Of M40P is electric propeller, and the electricity power supplied by diesel generator. It can support long time working and the endurance up to 24 hours long. M40P has auto navigation function and auto obstacle avoidance up to 50 meters long. And you can preset the working route in advance by the software. With the deployment of multiple beam echo sounder, M40P can serve the oil and gas industry to detect the submarine pipeline infrastructure and as well as the cable soils and pipe foundation for wind farm station. Let's check out the video of how M40P works. And here is our offshore test area. The blue USV behind me is our Waterway cleaning USV. It is a fully autonomous waterway cleaning vessel. The blue USV is around 9.7 meters long and made of aluminum alloy materials with the maximum speed of 3 knots, and it can work continuously for 8 hours. The power of the cleaning USV is double pedal motor, which can be free from entangling by water plants. Here is the garbage collector of the cleaning USV. It can clean maximum at 2.7 tons of garbage, including plastic, bottles, water plants, and all kinds of marine litters. There are 2 control modes. One is remote control and the other one is network control. Under network control, with the function of auto navigation and auto obstacle, the USV can do cleaning automatically, and after clean, it can upload the garbages automatically. The cleaning USV is applicable for different water environments, including the rivers, lakes, shores, etc. Compared to the traditional cleaning way, obviously, the cleaning USV is more efficient and more clean, and it can help men release from the dirty work. Let's check out the video of how our cleaning USV works. M75 is a high-speed autonomous USV special for research, rescue, and surveillance. M75 is around 5 meters long with maximum speed up to 30 knots and the endurance up to 4 hours. The propulsion of M75 is water jet and DC engine. The communication range of M75 is 15 kilometers long. And let's see the back side of M75. The back side of M75 can be used for cargo shipping with maximum weight up to 150 kilograms. And the back side can also deploy a life raft, and the life raft can be launched within just few seconds. And there is an electro-optical system. In the day, the electro-optical system can help recognize and trace in wide range and provide high-definition camera. Let's see the electro-optical systems. In the day, the electro-optical systems can track and recognize the targets in a wide range and provide high-definition image. At night, the infrared radiation camera can provide smooth and clear views in long distance. And M75 has a self-straightening ability. check out the video. And there are 3 modes of M75: remote control, sound station, and manual control. M75 can be used for security and research, rescue, and cargo shipping. Let's check out how M75 works.
回渔船，您已进入海底有设施区域，请立即离开，谢谢合作。
Apart from the USVs we introduced today, we still have a lot of other USVs that can carry multiple missions like hydrographic survey, oceanographic survey, environment monitor, light show, and cargo shipping. To know more about us, please visit our website or contact me. Thank you.